This is the Ghost Shark Unmanned Submarine, a deadly hidden ocean threat that the enemy has never seen. Beneath the serene waves of the Pacific Ocean, a covert struggle for dominance brews, threatening to reshape the balance of power in ways we've never seen before. China's rapid expansion in underwater technology, marked by the deployment of sophisticated unmanned submarines bristling with deadly weapons and advanced sensors, sets the stage for an unprecedented showdown. But just as the world braces for China's supremacy, a formidable rival emerges from the deep. Introducing the Ghost Shark, Australia's cutting-edge uncrewed submarine designed to confront the mounting underwater menace. This technological marvel isn't just a tool for exploration, it's a pivotal component of national defense. Equipped to patrol, gather critical intelligence, and engage potential threats, the Ghost Shark turns science fiction into reality. Its mission: to safeguard regional security and maintain the delicate balance of power beneath the waves. The Ghost Shark's state-of-the-art stealth technology, unparalleled sensory equipment, and rumored offensive capabilities signal a new era in underwater warfare. Whispers of its ability to launch torpedoes and act as a command center for other uncrewed vessels hint at a game-changing force poised to counter the rising red threat. Pacific power struggle. In the vast expanse of the Pacific, a geopolitical storm brews, reshaping the very fabric of global stability. From the tranquil waters surrounding Taiwan to the secretive maneuvers of North Korea, the stage is set for a clash of titans that threatens to engulf the region in turmoil. China's relentless pursuit of dominance looms large, with aggressive posturing in Taiwanese waters igniting tensions to unprecedented levels. As the US and its allies watch with bated breath, China's technological prowess takes center stage, unveiling a fully autonomous submarine armed to the teeth, a chilling display of military might that reverberates across the globe. But amidst the rising threat, a beacon of resilience emerges. Australia, standing shoulder to shoulder with its American allies, unveils the Ghost Shark program, a groundbreaking initiative set to tilt the balance of power in its favor. With autonomous submarines poised to bolster its naval capabilities, Australia sends a clear message: it will not cower in the face of aggression. Meanwhile, North Korea's saber-rattling escalates, with provocative missile launches rattling nerves from Tokyo to Seoul. As the specter of nuclear-tipped submarines looms large, the United States responds with unwavering resolve, bolstering its support for allies in the Pacific. From enhanced surveillance to military financing and advanced satellite systems, America's commitment to regional security is unwavering. With tensions mounting and the stakes higher than ever, the Pacific braces for impact as the battle for supremacy unfolds beneath the waves. Submarine showdown. In the ever-evolving theater of Pacific geopolitics, the stakes have never been higher. Rapid military escalations and cutting-edge technological advancements herald a new era of naval warfare, where every move is strategic and every innovation a game-changer. Enter Australia's Ghost Shark, a silent sentinel poised to disrupt the status quo. As submarine warfare takes center stage, Australia's strategic entry into the fray sends shockwaves through the international community, signaling a seismic shift in maritime strategy. But amidst the tumult, one unveiling steals the spotlight: China's XL UUV, unveiled at Navdex 2023. This behemoth of the deep, armed with 4 torpedoes and bristling with intelligence-gathering features, represents a quantum leap in naval capabilities. With its flank array sonar and strategically positioned torpedo tubes, China sends a clear message: its dominance beneath the waves is non-negotiable. Western analysts watch with bated breath as China asserts its ambitions, bolstering its presence in the South China Sea and beyond. Sophisticated drones extend its reach, amplifying its firepower and solidifying its grip on strategic waterways. In response, global powers race to match China's strides, accelerating their own developments in unmanned submarine technology. France and South Korea enter the fray with their own large underwater vehicles, yet none can match the armed capacity of China's XL-UUV. Even the United States, long at the forefront of naval innovation, finds itself playing catch-up. The Orca XL-UUV, developed by the US Navy, bears striking similarities to its Chinese counterpart, a testament to the undeniable influence of China's advancements. Unleashing the Ghost Shark. Amidst the escalating arms race in the Pacific, Australia unveils its ace in the hole, the Ghost Shark. Developed in response to China's lightning-fast advancements and the shifting tides of maritime warfare, the Ghost Shark isn't just Australia's bid to keep pace, it's their bold leap ahead, designed for one purpose: to dominate. The Ghost Shark embodies Australia's commitment to naval superiority, engineered for stealth and endurance, ready to strike from the shadows with precision and power. Equipped for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and beyond, its advanced features and strategic deployment plans make it the ultimate game-changer. As nations vie for supremacy beneath the waves, the Ghost Shark emerges as a symbol of Australia's resolve. In the ever-evolving theater of submarine warfare, where every move is calculated and every advantage coveted, the Ghost Shark stands apart, a beacon of innovation and ingenuity. Submarines, since their inception, have held sway over the seas, their stealth and concealment offering unmatched strategic advantages. From intelligence gathering to sudden high-impact strikes, these silent predators reign supreme. But with the advent of unmanned undersea vehicles like the Ghost Shark, a new chapter unfolds. These autonomous submarines, free from the constraints of crew accommodations, offer unparalleled agility and focus. Cost-effective and versatile, they redefine the rules of engagement, tipping the scales in favor of those bold enough to embrace them. The Ghost Shark, with its cutting-edge technology and relentless endurance, charts a new course for Australia's naval forces. Leveraging artificial intelligence and robotics, it operates with unmatched precision, augmenting the capabilities of the Australian Royal Navy with unrivaled efficiency. Announced as Australia's first autonomous submarine, the Ghost Shark signifies a monumental leap forward in underwater warfare. Developed through the Advanced Strategic Capabilities Accelerator, ASA, it epitomizes Australia's commitment to staying ahead of the curve, delivering rapid innovations to bolster its defense capabilities. In the words of the Minister for Defense, Ghost Shark will provide the Australian Navy with a stealthy, long-range autonomous undersea warfare capability. A force multiplier, a strategic asset, the Ghost Shark is more than just a submarine. It's Australia's key to maintaining peace and security in the increasingly contested waters of the Pacific. The rise of the Ghost Shark. In the high-stakes game of naval dominance, Australia makes a bold statement with its investment in autonomous maritime technology. With a staggering $7.2 billion earmarked for submarine warfare, including the pioneering Ghost Shark program, Australia reaffirms its commitment to staying ahead in a fiercely competitive geopolitical landscape. Led by Andor's Australian subsidiary, the Ghost Shark program aims to deliver 3 submarines by mid-2025, each a testament to Australia's strategic foresight. Costing a fraction of traditional nuclear-powered submarines, yet offering comparable strategic benefits, the Ghost Shark represents a paradigm shift in naval warfare. Distinct from its manned counterparts, the Ghost Shark stands as a symbol of Australia's leadership in autonomous naval technology. Its streamlined design and advanced functionalities meet the specific strategic needs of the contemporary maritime security environment, setting it apart from earlier autonomous underwater vehicle designs. Equipped for persistent intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike operations, the Ghost Shark operates autonomously with unrivaled endurance and depth capabilities. Its potential to serve as a mothership for smaller underwater drones heralds a new era of integrated naval warfare, where artificial intelligence and autonomous systems redefine the rules of engagement. As tensions escalate in the Pacific, platforms like the Ghost Shark become indispensable. With complex maritime disputes and rising military advancements, the Ghost Shark represents more than just a technological advancement. It's a strategic tool designed to maintain stability and deter aggression in the region.